Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sweet Star Candle YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be making some brand new jelly wax melts. So I already started off by getting some pumpkins ready. This is going to be for my Pumpkin Patch Cat jelly wax melt. And hopefully by the time this video comes out, they will be available on the website. But my main reason for making all of these wax melts I'm going to be making in this video is to just get ready for a market I have in a couple of weeks. So I'm going to get all of these out of the mold and I'll be right back. So I've got my pile of clamshells. I'm going to be making 5 of the Pumpkin Patch Cat. So to cut these, make sure this is facing in the right direction so that way when they flip it over, the pumpkins are all facing the right way. So what I'm going to do is add in my pumpkins. And I'm going to be adding the flat side down against the bottom of the clamshell. And then just sticking it down. Flat side. So my next step is going to be getting the white wax ready to go over the top and fill up the wax melts. So I'm going to get that melted down and I'll be right back. So I'm back. I've got my white wax already and it's time to pour. So now that I've got these poured, I'm going to move these out of the way. And I'm going to pour one more batch of my wax pumpkins. So I'm going to get my orange batch ready and I'll be right back to show you guys how I pour my wax pumpkins. So for my next jelly wax melt, this is Sakura Shiba, and I made jelly flowers and I'm just separating the petals. I have a soy wax Sakura Shiba right beside it so I can kind of match up the petals all in the right direction. After I have all the petals oriented the way that I want, I get my blue wax ready. I allow it to cool down as much as I can without it getting too hard, and then I can pour it over the petals. This method kind of causes the petals to be stuck in time. They don't move around, they don't melt, they don't do anything. And they combine with the blue layer. Lastly, Cosmic Candy. If you've seen this video, you've seen this process more in depth. I'm doing the same method I did with the pumpkins and flower petals, but with stars this time. Just adding those in, all facing in the same direction. Once I have them how I want, I pour in my magenta wax. If you want a more in-depth look on how to make jelly wax melts, I have a link below my original video that is the most popular on my channel, so it's a really great video, as well as the Cosmic Candy video that just goes over this particular jelly wax melt. And if you have any other questions, just be sure to put them in the comments below. My last step is adding my labels and closing up my clamshells. These labels are from Online Labels and they are the 4" by 3" size, and they fit on the extra large clamshells from Aztec Candle Supply. I also have all the other materials linked down below if you want to make your very own jelly wax melts. I'm filming this voiceover after the market I attended, and the jelly wax melts were the biggest hit. A lot of people recognize them from TikTok, so they wanted to purchase them. After I get all the labels placed, they're ready to be sold. If you want to check out the final product, I have a link below to my website so you can get a better look at how they look as well as the product photos. Thank you everyone for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe. I have links below, and if you have any questions, be sure to put them in the comments below. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.